Introducing ADSBee Winglet, a portable ADSBee receiver built for the full range of users, for pilots who want to plug and play ADSBee in solution, and those who'd like to tinker. What makes the Winglet different from other receivers is that the hardware is purpose-built and optimized for portability, and the software is completely open source. At Pants for Birds, we've been building ADSBee receivers for a while, and our software has been open source from the start. Our ADSBee tech is already used in systems like industrial ground station receivers, drones, panel-mounted avionics for experimental aircraft, flight tracking feeders, and weather balloons. We've shipped hardware to customers in 20 countries and 40 US states. The ADSBee project's open source firmware is always improving, with extensive testing and feature requests from users around the world. We've engineered ADSBee Winglet as a device that's tailor-made for demanding portable applications, like being an electronic flight bag receiver. Winglet brings all of the capabilities of our existing receivers, including 1090 MHz Mode-S reception for ADSBee and ADSR traffic, 978 MHz UAT reception for ADSBee traffic, TISB traffic, and FISB weather, and 2.4 GHz remote ID reception for drone detection over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We've also included a suite of additional sensors: a carbon monoxide detector with an audible alarm, a built-in IMU and magnetometer for a backup artificial horizon, a humidity sensor and barometer for pressure altitude, a high-precision GPS with satellite-based corrections, and an SD card for logging. Winglet packs all of these features into a device that can be handheld or mounted to an aircraft window. With a built-in 5,000 mAh battery, we get at least 12 hours of battery life in typical conditions, and USB fast charging enables a full charge in under 2 hours. We designed Winglet to have an intuitive physical user interface that can be used night or day, even wearing gloves. Our front panel is fully backlit with auto-dimming for night operation and includes a 4-button membrane keypad for interacting with the device. Our e-paper screen is easily viewable in full sunlight, and we've included high-resolution maps of the entire world right on the device, so you can view aircraft traffic in your area against a live map background. Winglet uses the same firmware as our existing line of open-source receivers, and even includes a high-density debug header, allowing you full breakpoint access to each of the 3 microcontrollers in the system. We have full Cloud CI in our GitHub repository, so you can edit and load new firmware to your device in as little as 5 minutes with no specialized hardware required. We've built Winglet with open-source software because we believe that knowledge belongs to the community. It's the fastest way to both fix and improve functionality, and it makes the Winglet actually yours. At Pants for Birds, our goal is to make open-source ADSBee technology reliable, ubiquitous, and accessible. We've spent months optimizing our hardware design and manufacturing plans to make Winglet the most performant and cost-effective ADSBee receiver in its class. Now, we need your help bringing Winglet to everyone's flight bag. We're launching ADSBee Winglet on Kickstarter, with special pricing for early backers. Visit pantsforbirds.com/winglet to take open-source portable ADSBee to the next level.